Today, 9th June, we have come to the Panjim police station to file a complaint against Vishwajit Rane. Complaint is a criminal complaint, and while it is our opinion that IPC and BNS do not get attracted, but there is an act which is to be invoked at such a time. All the time we see that there are many doctors, nurses and other medical professionals who are assaulted and abused and insulted by VIPs. So there is an act which has been specifically brought into this into the foray, and incidentally by the same government in 2013, and we are now seeking to invoke that act, Section 3 and Section 4. This is an act which prohibits violence against doctors. In our particular case, doctor has been insulted verbally, has been insulted with bad words, and that also in public, humiliated. His professionality has come into question, and there were at least 20 to 30 people in that room. This means, and also there is a premeditation, because only and only on a mere WhatsApp tip, the person has come in, the accused person has come in, has used his, some people use muscle, some people use guns, some people use political power. He has used his political power to wreak personal vengeance. And then he has gone on, because his VIP person did not get good and proper treatment, got proper treatment but did not get good treatment. So because of that, as a revenge or something like that, he has come and he has thrown all abuses at our doctor. So this is not permitted under the law. Every time, if you all also go to the casualty, you all will see that there is a board that abuse towards medical personnel and Medicare personnel is not allowed, and it is a punishable offence. You would have seen a board. Taking that same board in mind, we have filed this complaint today. And as per this complaint, there is a 3-year imprisonment, maximum is 3 years imprisonment, which is prescribed, and 50,000 rupees is the fine. I was surprised that we were not able to do this sooner, but we are trying to at most get this done. We understand that the doctor might be on a softer note, and that is exactly why lawyers have to step in. We find that he would have never done something like this. If he had come to the court, he would have never done something like this to any lawyer, because it is a doctor, and soft targets, they do these things. Finally, medical care cannot be at the whims of just a few people. If this happens, then how the poor person is going to get any kind of medical attention? Because whenever a VIP comes, all the stuff has to be for the VIP. So for this, to prevent this, 3 years imprisonment, FIR has to be there, because it's a cognizable offence. This is not an offence which is not cognizable. It is non-bailable also. I don't know whether the police is going to take this seriously or not, but we are pushing for it. At least I feel, I'm Advocate Siola Vaz, I feel that it has to be done, and if nobody else, then we have to do it. As much as possible, this has to be pushed.
Okay, madam, one question. In which year this act was promulgated?
This is a 2013 act.
Who has brought in this act?
Whoever was in, whoever was in power at the time.
Which government? And
it is the same government. It is the BJP government itself. So you can see they have taken it seriously, which we have to appreciate. Maybe they have taken it seriously at the time.
So,
but the law cannot be a dead letter. The law cannot be a dead letter. It has to be effective.
So you mean to say this takes care of such arrogant behavior from the minister or anybody?
By anybody. See, minister is just a tag. He has come as a personal person. No, he has come there because his one person got affected. One VIP fellow got affected, so he has come.
Okay. So who is the chief minister at that relevant time, madam? Can you, because 2013 it was.
Yeah, I think it was Parikar who was there.
Okay, and then tell me one thing. Is it that cameras are, you are a lawyer by profession. Sorry madam, I am asking you something. If can we picturize something, go in a casualty, or can we videograph something that is offense according to?
I have been in casualty a couple of times, and in fact I have seen that they write over there, photography is strictly prohibited, strictly prohibited.
So you mean say that is an offense?
It may not come under an act, but it will come under regulations. Those regulations are to be looked after by the Dean.
So you mean to say there is an offense also conducted under the Photography Act? Something, because videography it is. So that offence is also conducted by that
It may
minister?
not be under that kind of act. It will be under regulations which are formulated by the Dean.
Okay.
By the Dean. So the Dean has to take that action. But here, as individuals, we can at least here come to this police station and file this complaint. We are well within our locus.
So you want to file FIR against
absolutely,
the minister and the concerned person who has videographed or photographed it?
No, only the minister at present we have filed against. If he is arrested, he will divulge other names.
Oh, yes, thank you.